So I decided after eating all that peach cobbler that Danny and I needed a low carb meal tonight. I have a sweet tooth that does not stop. Are you like that? It's terrible. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and I'm gonna take you over to the stovetop.
To begin with, I have my stovetop eye on medium heat. If you're following along with me, we're going to start by using 1 pound of turkey sausage. I do add a half a teaspoon of sage to that to make it taste more like pork sausage. And I'm adding 1 bell pepper and 1/4 of a yellow onion. Now go ahead and give that a stir, and we want to cook that until those onions are translucent. I went ahead and I oiled a 7 by 11 baking dish, and we are going to pour this mixture right into that dish. Now I'm going to add spinach. Now fresh spinach is best, and you would use about 2 to 3 cups, but unfortunately I didn't have any on hand, but I did have this can of spinach. It worked out perfectly. I'm going to crack open 6 eggs. And if you've been following me, then you know that my neighbor gave me some of these eggs. They're fresh, and when I cracked them open, one of them had a double yolk. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Maybe a lot of pepper. I do like my pepper. Okay, go ahead and pour those eggs over the spinach and the sausage. You'll need some mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you like, but the mozzarella really does well on this casserole. You'll bake this for about 45 minutes on 400 degrees. To cover this with aluminum foil for about 30 minutes and then take it off while baking. I saw this hack the other day where you spray the aluminum foil with some Pam or olive oil, and it worked great. And voila, what a perfect looking casserole. And we just about devoured this in one sitting. This breakfast casserole is so good.